Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable to Slack. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Airtable website. Log in to your Airtable account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, find the base you want to connect to Slack. Click on the Automations tab located in the upper right corner of your base. Select the Create an Automation button to begin setting up a new automation. Now, you'll need to add a trigger for your automation. Choose a trigger based on your needs, like when a record is created or when a record is updated. Next, click on Add Action to connect to Slack. From the list of available actions, select Send a message to a channel in Slack. You'll now need to connect your Slack account to Airtable. Click on Sign in to Slack when prompted. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize the connection. Choose the Slack workspace you want to connect, and click Allow. Once you're connected, specify the channel where you want to send messages. Fill in the message that you want to send to Slack when the trigger occurs. You can use fields from your Airtable record to customize the message. After setting up your message, click on the Test Action button to ensure it works. If everything looks good, click on Turn on Automation. You have successfully connected Airtable to Slack. Now, your Airtable records will automatically notify your Slack channel based on the trigger you set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.